Ever fantasized about strolling down cobblestone streets with a freshly baked pasty in hand, then checking your investment portfolio that's crushing it? Maybe you're a Brit looking for a user-friendly investment platform, or a Canadian expat yearning for a familiar financial service. The question then becomes, is Wealthsimple, the popular robo-advisor, available in the UK? The answer, like a good cuppa, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. So, buckle up for a quick dive into Wealthsimple's international journey and what it means for you. Wealthsimple's global ambitions. Wealthsimple started as a Canadian darling, offering low-fee investing and automated portfolio management. Their success resonated with millennials and finance newbies, making investing feel approachable and accessible. They didn't stop there, setting their sights on international expansion. In 2017, they ventured into the U.S. market, followed shortly by a grand entrance into the UK. A brief UK adventure. The UK market welcomed Wealthsimple with open arms. They offered commission-free stock and ETF trading, a perfect fit for the growing number of self-directed investors across the pond. However, the honeymoon phase was short-lived. In 2021, Wealthsimple made a surprising decision. They were exiting the UK market. Why did Wealthsimple leave the UK? The reasons behind their exit were multifold. The UK investment landscape is fiercely competitive, with established players and new fintech companies vying for a slice of the pie. Wealthsimple might have felt the pressure to constantly innovate and differentiate itself. Additionally, focusing on just the Canadian and U.S. markets allowed them to streamline operations and potentially offer better service to their core customer base. What happened to Wealthsimple UK clients? Wealthsimple didn't leave their UK customers stranded. They partnered with MoneyFarm, a well-regarded UK robo-advisor, to ensure a smooth transition. MoneyFarm offers similar automated investing services, making it a logical choice for Wealthsimple's former clients. So, is Wealthsimple available in the UK now? As of today, June 2024, Wealthsimple is not available for new users in the UK. Their website clearly states that residency in Canada is a requirement for opening an account. Alternatives for UK investors. If you're a UK resident looking for investment options, fear not. There are several excellent robo-advisors and investment platforms available. Some popular choices include MoneyFarm, who took over Wealthsimple's UK clients, Nutmeg, and Vanguard. Each platform has its unique features and fee structures, so it's important to do your research and find the one that best suits your investment goals and risk tolerance. The future of Wealthsimple's global expansion. While Wealthsimple is currently focused on the Canadian and U.S. markets, their CEO has hinted at future international ambitions. Where they might go next remains to be seen, but their past expansion efforts suggest they're not afraid to explore new territories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.